Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. First, adjust the media in call volume. To adjust call volume, open the phone app and press the volume up button until it shows the phone icon. Make sure to press the left button closer to the edge, as that's the volume up button. Next, adjust media volume by going into settings and scrolling to sound and vibration. You don't need to turn it all the way up, that's your choice. Also disable any mutes like ring and notification volume, and make sure to not enable turn off media when muted. The most important part is do not disturb mode, which mutes notifications and calls, so make sure it's disabled. Sometimes it can also mute media, check it, and if it doesn't make a difference you can turn it back on. Next, clean the speaker grills, or if using USB-C headphones, clean the charging port. The tablet has 2 grills on this side and 2 on the other, 4 in total, plus the charging port. Clean them with a soft brush, which does a good job and I'd recommend it. After cleaning, restart your tablet by pressing and holding the power button until the power menu appears. Ignore Gemini and just tap reboot. The tablet is restarting. Soon we'll see the Lenovo logo. I'll see you in a second. After the restart, as a last resort, update your software. Open the Settings app, scroll all the way down to About Tablet, and tap System Update. It checks for updates automatically. All you need is Wi-Fi. I'm on the latest stable version, and if you have an update available, make sure to do it. Keeping up with the latest software is important to avoid old glitches. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.